Okay, hello and happy New Year's. So today is how to create magic square with Excel. Okay, start with what is magic square. Magic square is the square of unique number starting from one that can sum each row, each column, and each diagonal to the same number here. And this post is inspired from the question from this Mr. Samy here. So he asked how to build 9 by 9 magic square with formula here, and there are some answer. Also from Mr. Mates, and this is how to create 12 by 12 here. And he's kindly to also provide how to make that one with this website WikiHow. So let's check this one, WikiHow, and this is what I already told about the same sum of rows, sum of column, and diagonal to be the same number. And there are 3 different methods on each side of the square. So first one is the odd number here. So odd number, we have one method, and then another is doubly even, which is same as divisible by 4. So like 4, 8, 12, and the rest is another different one. So they call singly even. So it's even number that not divisible by 4. So like 6, 10, 14, and next one would be 18. Okay, I'll start with the even first. So even here. Even start with, well, we need to place 1 on the center of top row here. So 1 here. And if I look at the odd, so 1 on the center, 1 on the center for 5, 1 center for 7, 1 center for 9 here. And then we'll go up and go right. So this one will go up and go right until, so we got 2 here, go up, go right to the next one, become 3, and go up, go right is it's not empty here, so we already placed 1. So if it's not empty here, say we need to place it downward, so we go down here and then go up, go right, go up, go right, go up to this one, go right, and then it's not empty again, so we go down. Then 7, go up, go right to 8, go up to this row and go 9 here. So this is how to do in this explanation. So let's try. I'm just gonna start with, let's n is number here, and then create the sequence, which is s is sequence. Sequence sequence of n by n. So this is s, and then we want to go up and go right. This means if we add 7, we go up, go right, we got 5 and 6 here. And at 9, we go up and go right, we got 4 here. So pattern are the same, so this will give you the, like, okay, I'll just copy all this, copy, paste value here. Okay, I just, and then this one, let's just move this. Yep. So 7 we go to 5, 8 go to 6, and then 9 go to 4, and then 1 we go up to this row, go right to 8. So first we want to do how to go this way, and then if we divide, minus all this number, we'll see some pattern here. This means this one is 2, and then the last row is 2 plus 3 is 5. And then this negative sign, if I mod this one by 9, got all the same number. So this is the pattern. So that means we have to minus 2 or minus 5 here. So to create this one, I'll just go with minus 2 first. And minus 2 is, I can take the n from the 2 from n, which is n here and then plus 1. So this is like minus 2 here. And then on the last column, I have to minus 5. That means another n here. So that means if I mod this one, okay, if I mod this one by 3, got 0 here. That means when this is 0, I have to add minus another 3 here. So minus n multiplied by mod of s by n equal to 3 here. So this is almost done. And then the top row, I have to like mod it back with the 9 here. So mod this one by 9 is n square. Almost good, but 9 is become 0. So I have to deduct 1 here out and add 1 later at the mod. So this is how to go top and go down. And then to go, oh no, go top and go right. And to go down is quite simple. So we just minus 3 here. So instead of this, if I want to go down, I just minus 3 and I'll just keep the mod. So 7, okay. Wait, minus 3, I have to minus another 1 here. Yep. So 1 become 4. I think I go wrong direction. 1, this one have to become 4. Okay, I have to plus 1 and minus 1 here. Yep. So 4 becomes 7 and then 7 go to 1. And this is how to move. So then this one I'll start with 2 first. So this one we have to refer to previous number. I'll just do that previous number later, but now I want to start from the center top row. So we start from 2 here, and this one I will use scan. So scan start from 2, and then I will do this for 9 times. So a sequence of n power 2 here to get 1 to 9 here, and then lambda a and b. And this one become A to refer to the previous row. And this one is just go up and go right only. Cross. We got 9 here. And at some point, we have to go down, which is this one. So if we take a look at this one, 2. 2 already exit on top. That means we have to go down instead. And 2 again on top. We have to go down, and this one occur like in uniform every 3 times here. Okay, I'll just keep this one first, and then if I go for more, just for checking, this one I have to go by 5, and if I still keep 2, you can see that 2 is every 5 times, 2 every 5 times, and pattern continue. So if it's 2, then I will fetch 2 again every 7 times here. 2. This means I don't have to check the previous row. I just need to check when it's divisible by 3. And then and my V is this one. Sequence of n by power 2. So sequence of 3 power by 2 here. So 3, 6, 9. That means if I mod 3 and equal to 0, I have to go down instead. So I can put it here. I will do this one inside. So if mod of, I use V here, so V and N. equal to 0. If number, I will go up and go right, and then if it's 0, I will go down, which is I have to a plus 1 minus a plus n minus 1, I think. Yep, so here instead of from 4, instead of go up and go right, we go down to 7 again. And here 3, we also go down here, and then okay, so this is almost good, except that I don't have 2 on top here because 2 have to be on top here. But okay, let's see. I did this one before with I like do we stack of 2 and 2 to get 2 on top here. But if I don't want to do VStack, I want to find the number before 2, right? So before 2 here, I have to like go down. This means I need 8. So if I don't use 2 here and don't use VStack, and I'm start with 8 instead of 2, this means something is not right. Okay, because now when we go down, is go down on this position, not the third one. So okay, let's see. So this one is sequence of 9 here. We go down here and here. But now I'm start with 8. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of go down at wait, I have to put on the same row here. So instead of go down on the third, here I have to go down on the first. That means I have to deduct 1 on mod here. So I have to deduct 1 to get this. Okay. So this is the sequence of number. And then I can fill up the sequence of number by, so if I want where is number 1, so I have to x match 1 here, and this become 8, so 1 become 8 here, and 2 is on the first position, so 2 become 1. 3 is here on the 6, so 3 is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 somewhere here. So that we can use X match on that sequence and scan to get that number. And this number is already filled in, so this is the number. And can check by equal here, so this is all sum to 15. So this is almost good, except that I have one fixed constant here. So I have to calculate this one. And this one can calculate by we already know that we need to go down, right, from 8. And then if I'm on top here, that means I have to go from equal to 2 minus 1 here. So not minus 1, minus 3 here. So if I go from minus 1, I'm still get the same number here. So minus 1, yep. This means the center one, I have to go like negative 1. So if it's 5, I have to go minus 2. If it's 7, go minus 3. And I can find that sequence by this number is shift by 2. So start by shift by 2 and then go negative with 1. That means if let n equal to this, I want to find minus 1. That means I have to go like 1 minus n and divide by 2 to get minus 1 here. And this one I get minus 2, minus 3, and will be minus 4 with 9. So I can use this for start number. So I can place this one inside here. I'll just move my calculation away here, and this should be my answer, and then I just fill in here, just delete all this one first, and this is the formula. Yep, all good. Copy, all good, all good, all good. So this is how to do with the odd number here. Next one is doubly even, which is divisible by 4. So this is how they do here. So the highlight square, we need to highlight this one first, and then the highlight one is the use the original sequence here. So 1, 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, and 13, 16 here. The one without highlight, we fill number in reverse. So like from 1, 2, 3 here, 4 we not, and then 5, 6, 7 here, and then 8. And this is like this. So to find this one, I have to do every 4 numbers. So we'll start same. So I'll just let n is this number, and then sequence of n and n. This is s. Okay, wait. Small s. Okay, so this is the normal sequence of number, and then the reverse one is gonna be n power by 2 minus s. I have to plus 1. So this is how we fill number reversely, and then now we have to find this 4 square here, which I need row number and column number. And before that, if I go with 8, here, if I go with 8 here, then this one have to rerun from 4 again. So this means this one have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the column that I can mod this as with 4. So this is my field. The problem again, when we mod, the 4 becomes 0. So I think it's easier to start with 0 here. So that become 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here, and on the row we still mod, but we will use the int to divide s by n first. So this one become row number here. So this is r. So this is r here, x here. When we have row and number, row and column here, we can check in like 2 ways here. What I know, so r plus c will be equal to 3. One way here equal to 3, and then if I deduct it, r minus c is equal to 0. So 2 way that we can achieve the highlight one. One is r plus c, and another one is plus equal to 3. So that means r equal to c and r plus c equal to 3 here. So this is how to make highlight on that position. And another way I use is I use absolute number. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then 0, 1, 2, 2, 3 here. If I deduct from the center point, the absolute will be the same. So if this one minus on the center is 1.5, which is 3 divided by 2 here. And same on this one, divide by 2 here. So you can see that, okay, I'll just multiply 2 here. Easier to see. Multiply 2 here. Okay. So this mean the one that have the same number also give you the diagonal. So this mean if I take ABS of this one, got 331, and then this one also ABS of all this, I will get through here, and then I just change it to number. Huh? Oh, this is should be 3. Okay, so two method here, and depend on what you like. I'll think I can check which one is longer, and I will not use that one. So this one become 2 multiplied by r equal to 3. No, what? Minus 3. Okay, ABS of row and ABS of column multiplied by 2 equal minus 3. It's the same. No, it's the same. True, false, true, false. Okay, we get true, false, false here. And now that I only use R and C once, I don't need variable, so I can just return this one to this, return this one to this, and I don't need that one. So it's also give you true, false, and true, false. Depend on what you like. I'll just go with the absolute one, like that one better. So here, from here, so one if this one is true, I just fill original sequence, which is S. And if not, it will be N powered by 2 minus S here. So this, oh wait, I have to add 1 here because I start from 0. Okay. So this is the sequence from 4, and I can like try on that one, try this, try on this. Here, so same number. So this is how to do with the 4 divisible. Next one, single even magic square. So 6, 10, 14 here. So first we have to separate this one into 4 quadrant here, equal size. So from 6 I have to go each side for 3. For 10, each quarter have 5 by 5 here. After that, we will add some number here. So this means this one we don't add anything. Start with 1, and then this add by 9, and this one add by 18. So 9 multiplied by 2, and then this is add by 27. 9 multiplied by 7, and then got this one, and then we have to swap this 3 position here, like this. Swap 1, and then if the square is larger, like for example, if it's 10, we have to swap the rightmost column here. If it's 14, we will have to swap 2. So I already have this one. So this one, that means we have to swap all this. We have to swap all this, and then 10 we have to swap the last one column, and 14 swap last 2 column. Okay, so start we have to find for 6 we have to do the odd number with 3 first. So I just borrow this one, put it here, and then since I have to use this many times, I'll change this one to lambda. So I'll name this one at OD here, and then lambda n, and this is the calculation. Okay, so just checking if I use OD3 here, just give me this square. Okay, so we start with n again, this number, and then to divide into 4 quadrant, we have to divide n by 2. So I'll give it h here equal to n divided by 3. Oh, by 2 here. So that means when we go OD, we go with H instead. So this one, so give this number. Just do it on top here. Now, since also have to use this one for sometime like with 3 here. Now we have to find which number to swap. This means if I have sequence of 3 by 3, have to swap 157. If I have sequence of 5 and 5 here, I have to swap all this. That means like first 2 column, but swap the center one. If it's 12, just go with 13 instead. So this one on the center, 4 go to 5. And for the 7, I have to swap 24 and 25 here. So just go like this. Swap 24 with 25. And how to do that one? So I have to find the middle number, which is 9 plus 1 divided by 2. I got 5. 25 plus 1 divided by 2. We got 13. And if I minus 1, I got 12 here. But first we need the sequence of half first. So HH is sequence of half, which is H and H here. And this is HH. Now I want to swap number 4 and 5. So I need the center number here, which is came from H. Okay, I'll just use what I use. The same variable here. I use I. Okay, I use I here. So I is H power by 2 here. So okay, so that means if HH equal to this one 4, I need 4. So I minus 1 multiplied by 2. Then I want it to become I plus 1 divided by 2, not multiply, divide by 2. Else, just keep the same number as h here. Got this one. Now that I got this, I only want to take the first column, which is 3 divided by 2, which is nh divided by 2. So that we take this one on h divided by 2 column. So this is the number I want. And then if the sequence are in this, I want to swap it. So this means I can go X match. Wait. Match of H this one. So you keep number if it's found. So this is how we swap. And then if I change this one to 7, oh no, 5 N. What's it? Value. Something not right. H 10. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. SH, still good. What's wrong? So I is 25. Yeah, it's good. Take. Okay. Okay, take is good. But why? X match. SH is not good. Oh, okay. See, I have two column here. X match only work with one column, so I have to go with two call here. Okay, two call to give this one into one column. Okay, better. And just move this one down. Just delete this. Copy. So this is what we want to swap, and I will have to give it true false. So is NA. Okay, come true and false, and then this is my Y here. Then I have to build all this. So I have to stack 4 quadrant together. So this means I have to V stack T and T, and this one is T plus I multiplied by 3 here. So this is first two row, but I have to switch this. So that means if it's Y, I have to add another I plus 3. So multiplied by I plus 3 here. Oh, which is wrong. I have to go with 1 minus Y, I plus 3. Okay. Wait. 1 plus I. Oh, multiply by 3, not plus 3. Okay. This is better. And then on the bottom row, I have to add only when this is Y. So Y is this here. Does it mean 8? 5, 4 is not changing. And then I have to stack on these two, green and blue, which is we stack T plus I multiply by 2, and then T plus I multiply just 1. So this, let's cross spill. I'll just delete this. So I almost get this one done, and this is work for this one only. Now I have to check if it's more than 10, more than 6. I have to switch 1 here, and then this is switch 2. This means this one will give me 0, this will give me 1, and this will give me 2. And to calculate that one, I just go with this minus 6 divided by 4. 0, 1, 2 here. So I need another variable, which is, okay, D is equal to N minus 6 divided by 4. This is my D. And this one, since I wrap everything here, so I put W here, W here. So now, if D is some number I want to like swap or that one, that mean this one I will, if D, then I will take W. No, I have to drop. So I'll only get this one, so I will drop last one out. This means I have to drop W on last of that number out, so minus D here, and then have to stack it back, so S stack with CK is stack drop W, and then take W on last two column, and this one we not switch it yet, so on top here we stack I want the last n column, which is last n column divided by 2, which is h, so minus h here, and then this one I want top column, top 4 or 5 columns, so this is we stack on top here, so D here. If D has no number, just return W here. Okay, I have to minus this one, and this one should work. Okay, I just delete everything here. Put this one back on top. Okay, paste here. Something not right. On top is good. On this one is good. Okay. Seem like, oh, I know. I forgot the to call on. Okay, this one I need to call. So to call. Yep. Copy. Paste again. Good. Paste again. Good. Now we have all thing work here. Now we have to assemble it to the same formula. I just borrow this one. Okay, test. Then I just delete this one out. So start with this and become A1. I got cal first. So this is the calculation if it's what 610. So okay, want to check first. So if is odd of n, then I want this one. I have already have lambda, so OD of n here. So this one will work for 3. Oh, okay, I need that copy. Easily change the number. Okay, so 4 doesn't work because I have to combine this formula. And this formula is quite simple, so just copy this one. And then another if mod n by 4. If it's not equal to 0, I just go with this one. If it's 0, go with this, the one that I copy out, and another close name. What? Oh, I don't have s. Okay. So I need another variable which is s equal to sequence of n by 0, I think. Yep. So just checking. So this is give the same number 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So these are all good. So I think that's almost done. I think it's all done, but just like checking a little bit more. So need to check how long is the formula. So then formula takes here with the original one I got 470. This one 78. That means I can squeeze something out. Okay. to like squeeze something out, we have to see which one that we use very often. So like this one, we always use negative d. That means if d is already negative, I don't need to add negative sign here. So this one is here. So instead of 6 minus n, I go n minus 6 to 6 minus n here, and then I can save minus sign here. No. Okay, what else? I think it's here. So, okay, this one, I have a inside here. I can take a out. So, take a out here. Take a out here, and I can save one more here. And then negative sign here. If I change this one to negative, this one negative become positive. This one become positive. And n become negative and 1 become positive, but I can put 1 in front. Okay. What else? Not sure what else. I'm not sure about this. N square. Okay, I think I'll just leave it this way. Just like can squeeze some more, but it will take time. Okay, I think that's all. Oh, I thought I see something here. Another king. Oh, wait, what? I'll just take some more. ABS. Yep. H plus 1. All different. Okay, I think I stop it here. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.